let's say, I've got a sign up sheet where some people have signed up many times. For instance, here's Yi right there, and here's Yi again. And if I wanted to just have unique records, I could follow these steps right here. And FYI, just in case you're interested, I created a random phone number generator because I didn't want to have to manually think up a bunch of random phone numbers. And so that random phone number generator is over here where I just chose a random number between 0 and 9. And then I concatenated all those numbers right over here. And you can see some of them generated 0 for that first number. So the way I formatted that was just to highlight all those cells, right click, choose Format Cells, and then I chose special phone number and I went to custom and it gave me that special formatting for the phone number. And I changed these symbols to zeros right there. And I know you might be going like, how did you know to do that? And it's by watching videos and reading textbooks. I learned how to do that and just kind of playing with Excel. But anytime you have a 0 in a space, it'll fill that space in with a 0 if there's no number there. So now I've got zeros filling in those leading left spaces. So I copied all those numbers over here, randomly generated and copied those numbers over here for phone numbers for people. But let's get rid of the duplicates. I can do that with my advanced filter right here or with remove duplicates. Personally, I like this tool better, but because this one sometimes tweaks for whatever reason. But advanced right here, let's try unique records and let's see if we get it without the tweak. Are you ready? Cross your fingers. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Tweak. It did not work. So let me try selecting all of this. Select the whole table. Advanced, unique records. You think it would work, right? It did not work. What about if I go to remove duplicates? And here it asks me, what do you want to remove duplicates on? Which columns should we look for to make sure that these are all the same before we remove duplicates? So let's say we had a date sign up right here, and we'll just have 02, 15, 13, and we'll format that as a date. Let's format the whole column as date, actually. Format cells, date, and we'll do that date. Great. And then I'm just going to add, it'll be equal to that plus 5. We'll just add 5 days to each date. And I'm going to copy that down over the whole range. Control V. Now, if I was to do a remove duplicates and do it on all these fields, I'm not going to get rid of any duplicates because the dates are all different. So when it looks for that, it'll be like, well, this record here, me Harrison on May 1st, is different than me Harrison on December 10th, right? Because it's a different record. But if I go to remove duplicates and take off the check mark for date, and now removed a bunch of duplicates because it no longer looked to make sure that this value was unique. It just looked to make sure that each of these, wherever they matched, it took those out. So that's a better way, I think, to remove the duplicates. What about sorting data? Super easy. You just click on whatever column you want to sort, and I just like to prove to myself that the data is staying.